Today I will demonstrate how we use ADOS in my class. ADOS is used to organize the information in story problems. It helps the students decide which operation or operations they will need to solve story problems. First, we will begin by reading the problem twice. As you read, underline any important information, circle any data, and bracket the questions that need to be answered. Here's our sample problem. Over the holiday weekend, Lance drove 447 miles on Saturday, 361 miles on Sunday, and 254 miles on Monday. What is the best estimate of the miles he drove over the long weekend? Okay. We will read once again. Over the holiday weekend, Lance drove 447 miles on Saturday, 361 miles on Sunday, and 254 miles on Monday. Here's your question. What is the best estimate of the miles he drove over the long weekend? We have read our story problem twice and we are ready to solve. We have set up our ADOS, and the A stands for what are they asking? Okay, so here is your question. What is the best estimate of the miles he drove over the long weekend? Now, estimate is a key word, and we know that we have to round, so that is something to keep in mind. Okay, the D stands for the data in the problem. So here is our data: 447 miles on Saturday, 361 miles on Sunday, 254 miles on Monday. Okay, our operations to answer this question will be, first we will round, since we have the word estimate, and then afterwards we will add to figure out how many miles he drove over the long weekend. We have set up our S, which means to solve, and we have put a place value chart. We inserted our data, and we are now ready to round. Okay, 447 miles will be rounding to 450. 361 will round to 360. 254 will round to 250. Now that it is set up, we are ready to add our numbers. Okay, we start with the ones. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 5 plus 6 plus 5 is 16. We leave the 6 and we carry over the 1. And then we have 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. We will leave the 0 and carry over the 1. 1 plus nothing will be 1. And we have found the answer to our problem. Okay, Lance drove 1,060 miles over the long weekend.